Today we're breaking down a really interesting take on the Quranic chapter, Al-Ghashiyah.
And this idea, it's really the key to unlocking the whole thing.
So let's explore this through a chapter that honestly starts with a pretty stark vision.
Right at the start, it describes two totally different kinds of faces on a day of reckoning. You've got one side that's exhausted and terrified, and the other, joyful and radiant.
But what if this isn't about the afterlife? What if it's about states we're building right now?
See, that joyful face isn't some reward. It's the result of a life built on certain things.
So we're talking about a life defined by real effort, deep inner peace, and earned happiness.
Okay, so how do you get there? Well, the book points us away from itself, out to the world.
Instead of just handing out answers, it actually tells us to go and observe the world.
The camel itself isn't really the point. It's a pointer towards the science of life.
And the method continues. Next, it tells us to look up, towards the cosmos.
This is basically a call to understand the universe, through astronomy. Then it brings our focus right back down to Earth, to the foundations of our world.
And that's a prompt to investigate the Earth itself, through the science of geology.
All of this questioning leads to a really important ethical point. Guidance is not about force.
And the text is super clear about its own authority, making a really crucial distinction here.
A musaiter isn't a guide, it's a tyrant who uses force, squashing your own reason and free will.
Okay, so if the book isn't a tyrant, then where does that final judgment really come from?
It suggests the final accounting isn't from some outside force. It's an internal one, with yourself.
So this whole approach reframes faith, right? It's not blind submission, but conscious conviction.
So good people don't just go to heaven. The idea is the place they are becomes heaven.
Which leaves us with one final thought. Is your belief about what you say or what you actually do?